Today we're going to be doing some French knots. I absolutely love French knots. They're really good for creating texture, and it's an embroidery stitch that is used to create small raised dots of thread on the fabric, and quite often they're used for details like flower centres, eyes, textures, just as a decorative pattern. So I brought my needle up from the back. I'm going to stretch my embroidery thread nice and taut, put my needle over the top and make a cross, and I'm going to wrap it round twice and take it down in the hole I came up from, or right by the side of it. And then I'm keeping this left hand thread taut and gently pulling like so. And there is my French knot. Now the other thing that is great with these French knots is that you can do like a little cluster of them. So once again, 1, 2, and if you do a few of them together, you're obviously going to get a more raised surface texture. So you can vary these in size depending on how many wraps that you do around your needle. And it's just really great for adding dimension. I'll show you when you do a few of them. Let's do more than 2 wraps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite chunky and raised. And one thing to mention is you really do need to keep this left hand thread nice and taut, as it can get into a tangle. So to keep it neat, keep that nice and taut and gently let go.